Hello, lovelies. Come closer. Come look at this. How does it look? It looks yummy, right? I guarantee you it also tastes yummy. Homemade suya can taste even better than your favorite street vendors, and I'm about to show you how to make it. This flavorful dish hails from the northern Nigeria and has won the hearts of food lovers everywhere. Start by cutting your chicken or beef into chunks. Any protein you prefer is fine. Then place them in a bowl. Add all the spices. Your paprika, black pepper, onion, ginger, and garlic powder. Seasoning cube, just a cube. Salt to taste. And a drizzle of oil. Then the star of the show, which is the soya spice. Taste your soya spice before using. Some are stronger than some, or should I say more concentrated than some. Have a taste first so that you can know how to adjust other ingredients from your seasoning cube to the salt and to every other ingredient. You just add it, just add on. The main thing is the soya spice. After adding all your spices and seasonings, mix properly to combine. When I say mix properly, I mean mix it. Then set aside for a few minutes so that it can soak up all the flavors. While that is marinating, let's quickly see this. Hello, lovelies. Guess what? Our brand new recipe ebook called Festive Bites is finally here. This special edition was carefully curated just for you to make your celebration season extra delicious and stress-free. Inside, you will find easy mouth-watering recipes from sizzling grills to yummy pastries and refreshing drinks. Whether you are cooking for family, friends, or giving yourself a treat, there's something for everyone around the globe. So remember to grab yours. And to my Niger fam, you know how every festive season, some of you slide into my DM asking how many eggs for this and that. Well, no more guessing. All your answers are right here in Festive Bites. Now imagine last year 5 liters of authentic chin chin went out for 30,000 naira. But this time you can get that recipe and plenty more to explore for as low as 5,499. Be honest, I don't try for now. Abi? Let's continue. Then grill in an oven, air fryer, or on a pan until golden brown. Funny enough, I used the pan to do this. It came out exactly the same. Have you gotten our ebook? I told you there are different tips on how to do things in that book. So there is a detailed description on how to use a pan to grill. You see, nothing is stopping you from recreating this. Imagine, nothing is stopping you. If you don't have an air fryer, if you don't have an oven, my dear, you obviously have a pan, except you don't cook at all. Then in a small bowl, mix peanut butter, vegetable oil, and soya spice. Mix it just like a teaspoon, tablespoon, mix properly. Our homemade suya is ready, or should I say almost ready. So this is the look before glazing it, or should I say brushing it with the oil peanut butter mixture, which is optional. It's just to add shine to it. Next is to dust this one is not optional, dust that soya spice called Yaji. Dust it over the suya. And garnish with onions. Remember to catch up on our previous videos and try out some things. This comment is from the native rice someone tried out. You see, just follow every steps and you'll get the recipe right. Don't be scared. Thank you for watching my video. Remember to stay hydrated and remain blessed.